Steven Santos. Galicia. Hands it off to Warlock. Patak gets the step on CJ Alatica and scores. Jay Collado. Alanes providing that screen. Now he receives it. Drives left. Top finish over Jacob Galicia. Santos trying to create. Tasa ay Garcia. Flyby. Three-point shot is good.
Nakuha niya yung kanyang rhythm in this ball game. So you have to defend him early on.
Alatica cleans it up off that JR Olegario miss. Ako kasi si CJ agad naisip ko.
Oo, yun nga eh. Actually ako rin. Siya rin ang mapasok sa isip ko.
He spent a season with Muntinlupa, season 6. Very pedestrian yung numbers niya. And then pagdating nga sa Pasig, doon na nag-shoot up yung kanyang mga numero. Sa Negros, syempre, sila lang ni John Cormento halos yung pinaka-inaasahan doon. Jerome Garcia with a second triple, 10-6 in favor of Pasig. Pero nakakatuwa dito kay CJ, kahit pa nag-move siya sa ibang team. Michael Lambino lost it. Santos. Mintes. 2-on-1 fast break. Alanes elects to take the free and he will make it. Supply, Alatica nakuha yung rebound. Tatakbo ang Valenzuela. Olegario is gone on the other side.
Well, medyo the challenge itong si Santos. And he can provide a lot of muscle on the defensive end. So this is a challenge earlier on para dito kay Santos.
Galicia, straight line to the cup. Pido, pitching it ahead. Garcia, lobs it up. Galicia will finish off the pass.
You know, we talk about the shooting.
Olegario off the dribble. Masyado lang napalakas. Patak in transition. No look pass.
In the rankings this season, and para sa kanya, aasa pa rin siya sa kanya mga veterano, si Alano, Collado at Reyes. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Sheila. And
Itong kabilang team, it was JR Olegario on one end getting the triple, and here he is again going for the jumper. Make that 5 straight points for JR Olegario.
On ball, lalo nung wala pa si Ian Melencio, nahirapan talaga silang mag-create, generate offense.
They look for a way in limiting the offense of Batangas earlier on. The problem is, in that fourth quarter, medyo nag-iba yung tema. But talk about nag-iiba ng tema. Olegario!
Long two lang tong huli. So 21-16 is our score. Pantang tira, galing kay Felix Corpus. Ano rin yan eh, taga-south din yan eh. Si Ubuyes.
Kaya pala may bias.
Pido. Sideline inbound, Corpus. Naagaw, Robinson. Cleared for takeoff. He will lay it in for 2. Alanes got cut off by Pido. Long 3-point shot. Ubuyes on target. Flores can't shake off the defense of Robinson. Jeremy deflects it. JR, one-hander. It will rattle in.
Did not play a lot pero nakuha pa rin nilang panalo. If he can provide good numbers just the way he is doing right now, then this is going to be a good addition for Pasig in this ballgame.
Wakali. John Gabriel will pitch it ahead. Flores, they have enough time. He will heave it off the back iron. And the first quarter comes to an end.